Hello, my name is Dr. Jack Daniels. I'm the Teaching and Learning Librarian at the Proctor Library at Flecker College. Welcome to this tutorial on how to find peer-reviewed articles through the Proctor Library's webpage. We'll start here at the Proctor Library's homepage. First thing to do is go over here to the Advanced Search hot link right down here and click on that hot link there. And if you want to find a book, the first thing you need to do from this page is to go over here where it says Catalog Only and check that box. Have a look up here at the search interface and you see 3 search fields. It's in these search fields that you will type a topic or a subject that you want to find something on. Let's go ahead and experiment with the phrase human rights. Before I click the search button, I can open up this menu here and tell the database to look for human rights as a title. Let's go ahead and do that. And then we'll click search. Before we look at the results list here in the middle, let's go ahead and look over here on the left side of the screen at the different ways that we can control the search. First, you'll notice that we're looking in the catalog only for books. Here, this tells us that the oldest item found was published in 1905 and that the most recent one was published in 2019. This field shows us that 90 of these are books, and then there's some other kinds of publications here. Under that, we have the subject headings. You can blow open the subject headings by clicking on Show More. And then you see a list of all the subject headings for these results. Let's go ahead and have a look at the results list. Up at the top of the page here, we see that there are 90 results for the search human rights in the title. The first result is what's called a research starter on human rights. You can click into that and you'll have a encyclopedia article from Salem Press. Let's have a look at the list of books. On this page we have 30 of the 90 books that have been found. You can scroll all through them. Let's have a look at the first one here called Human Rights, The Hard Questions, edited by Cindy Holder and David Reedy. If you click on this red hot link, it'll blow open the bibliographic record. Here you see the title, the bibliographic information here, an abstract or summary of the book, a little bit more information about it. Most important, that the book is located on the 2nd floor of the Proctor Library, and this is the call number you can use to find it. Let's check back on the results list. We'll look at another book. Right below that, Human Rights, Concept and Context by Brian Orend. You don't even have to click into the bibliographic record here to see that it's on the 2nd floor, and you can find the call number there. But let's click into the record. Again, here's the title, the bibliographic information. The subject terms are provided here, what this book is about, and here's some notes about the contents. Over here on the right side of the screen, you can email this record that you see on the screen to yourself. You can save it to a jump drive. If you want to create a bibliography of some kind, you can click on Cite, and it will blow open some examples of how to cite this book using different style guides. Here's the MLA 9th edition. You can copy and paste this record into a Word document as you begin building your bibliography. Back again now at the library's homepage, let me show you how to find a peer-reviewed journal article. If you go over here to Articles and Databases, click on that hot link, and then you go to this bar right here and click into it, it'll blow open different subjects. What I want to do is show you how to use one of our very best databases for finding information. You click on the A. The very first database is called Academic Search Complete. Let's click that hot link. And here we are at the home page. You'll notice that this database looks a lot like the same setup we used to find a book. But what we're going to do here is look for peer-reviewed journal articles. So before we type in anything in the search fields here, let's go ahead and have a look down here at other ways we can control the search. Noticing here we can tell the database that we're only interested in peer-reviewed results. So we'll check that box. There are other ways that we can control it, but I recommend you just go ahead and check peer-reviewed and then go up here and begin your search. Let's say that we're interested in something to do with abortion. Type it in the search field. We're going to leave it a wide open search. Click search. Notice our results right away. Here we have 40,494 results. That's way too many. Let's see if we can get that number down. Let's go up to the menu box here, blow it open, and tell the database that we're looking for the word abortion as a subject term. This will be a very precise search. Let's go ahead and click search. And notice we cut it in half almost, 17,000. Let's see if we can control the search a little bit more. We're interested in not just abortion, but abortion in the United States. I'm going to leave the field wide open here and click search. And we're down to 5,426. Let's go ahead and blow open the menu now next to United States. Change it to a subject term. Click search. Look at the number, it's down to 2,600. Let's see if we can control the search even more. Let's add to the search the phrase human rights. So now when we click search, the database will look for abortion as a subject term and the United States as a subject term and human rights anywhere in the bibliographic record of the journals that are indexed. Let's click search. We're down to 235. Let's try to control it one more time. We'll go open this menu and tell the database to treat the phrase human rights as a subject term. And an extremely precise search yields 98 articles having something to do with abortion in the United States and human rights. Over here on the left side of the screen, we notice that these are all peer-reviewed. We notice that the oldest publication was published in 1993 and the most recent one this year. You come down here, you can blow open the subject headings, and you can blow it open again to look at all the subject headings of these results. Let's go ahead and look at some of the results. Here's an article entitled "The Ethics of Access, Reframing the Need for Abortion Care as a Healthy Disparity." The bibliographic record is right here in somewhat smaller print. Let's go ahead and click on the hot link title. We'll blow open the record. Here's the title, the author's name, the name of the journal, and the other important information about it. And here are the subject terms, what this article is about, and even author-supplied keywords about the article. Below that, the abstract or summary of the article. That's enough information to decide if you want to keep it or not. Again, over here, you'll notice you can email this record to yourself by clicking that link. You can save it on a jump drive, or if you want to create a bibliography, you can click on the Cite button, and it will open up the different ways that you can cite it according to different styles. If while you're using the databases, you find an article that isn't full text, but you have access to the bibliographic record, you can come to the library's homepage here, go down to the bottom and click on Interlibrary Loan. Put your name in here, your email address there, and fill out the rest of this form. And then you can receive the article probably in less than 48 hours in your email. Alright, that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact any librarian at the Proctor Library by clicking on Ask a Librarian here. Or if you go up to the link About, click on that, and click over here to Staff Directory. You can contact the librarians directly. And this is my email right there. Have a great day.